So we're on day 3 of PC Building Simulator 2, and we're going to take a closer look at the tablet that we've got, where we redesigned our whole new swanky shop yesterday. So there's loads of different ones that you can pick. But if we exit the decorator app, we've got our email, which we are used to having. And we're going to have a look at our new emails in our next episode. But that works the same way as on the computer. We've got our shop for bits and PCs. Fantastic. We've got part ranking, which we've not looked at before, which literally does a bit like PC benchmarking site, so you can see what's best and what's available to buy. We've got the music player. We've already got music in the background. We're listening to Gavin Harrison featuring Lorenzo Di Feo, Take It. But here, you can actually control the music now it's played. Another one of our favourites, La Circulaire, On the Floor. Get Your Body Moving. Pushing On. Antidotes. Soundboy. Oh yeah, we like this one as well. Boom, 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 boom. Carmen Line. Wanna Love. Wanna Love. Cruise Control. See what they've done there? CTR round, love it. Sunrise. Games. And oh, we've got a few more. Why Can't Love Be True? Why Can't Love Be True? Space Raiders and Breathe. Breathe. We can go on music. Oh, you can load up your own music, and you can get music off the internet by the looks of things. Truck Stop Radio. Are these real? Truck Stop Radio. I guess these might actually be real. Absolute 90s Radio, we know that. Is this actually going to load Absolute 90s Radio? It's loading. We can't. Original soundtrack there. Oh, cool. So we've got stuff available there. That's good. Get your body moving. We got the decorator out, which we looked at, and we got RAM Whiz. RAM Whiz. Oh, I thought this might be a game, but RAM frequency 2666, latency 14, calculate. We need a voltage of 1.35. Fab. So it's got a nice little date and time there. We're connected to our Wi-Fi. Pretty strong signal. The Wi-Fi is good in there. The battery's all right, and we've not even charged it yet. So that is the tablet that we have obtained on day 2 of PC Building Simulator 2, the open beta. Don't forget you can get it on Epic Games, and hit like on the video. We can't wait to show you what's in store for day 3. See you soon.